It's Thursday, 14th August 2025. Let's take a look at how the markets closed today. Now today, Sensex closed at 80,597 points, up by 0.07%. Nifty 50, however, closed at 24,631 points. This range-bound session ahead of the long weekend. Now, the top Nifty gainers for today were Wipro, Infosys, HDFC Life, while the top laggards were Tata Steel, Adani Ports and Tech Mahindra. Now, rupee was steady near around 87.45 rupees against the dollar. Options showed low near-term stress. Gold stayed firm on Fed cut hopes, while the Brent crude oil hovered near the mid $60. Top 10 headlines for today. First, S&P upgrades India's sovereign rating to BBB. Now, this credit trading agency S&P Global raised India rating from BBB minus to BBB, citing economic resilience and fiscal consolidation. Rupee and bonds firmed after the news. Now, what does this BBB status means? It means India is adequate in capacity to meet the debts. It's solid, but though adverse conditions could weaken that capacity. Second, the trade deficit widens to an 8-month high. July merchandise trade deficit crossed $27 billion as imports, oil and gold, outpaced exports ahead of the tariff changes. Third, long bond rally stalls as fiscal worries pinch demand. This 10-year yields have climbed to 24 basis points since June's cut. Banks ensures buying slowed. Fourth, Reliance makes a rare fuel oil buy from HPCL. This Reliance picked up 2 HSFO cargoes via tender, signals diversified sourcing as Russian flows declines from other countries. Fifth, state refineries eye Urals, which is Russia's main export oil blend, again as discounts widen. IOC and others are exploring Russian crude purchases after better discounts returned. Sixth, Indian Oil IOC misses first quarter profit estimates. Standalone PAT $56.9 billion below forecast on inventory losses and lower refining margins. Seventh, Muthoot Finance hits an all-time high. Stock surged by 10% after first quarter, biggest single-day jump since 2020. Eighth, RBI to speed up check clearing. From 4th October, banks will move to same-day continuous check processing. It will take only hours and not days. Ninth, Paytm Payment Services gets in principle OK as an online payment aggregator. Regulatory green light lets Paytm's unit onboard merchants after conditions are met. 10th, the rupee remains steady with little price swing expected over this weekend. Options pricing shows no bias toward Indian national rupee. Its weakness ahead of the Trump-Putin meet. Like, share and subscribe to